One quiet afternoon, Tung dropped his bucket into the old village well, but instead of water, he pulled up a very loud surprise. He leaned closer. But the same sound again, the bucket was playing it back. Tung ran around the village, capturing every sound, the rooster, the flip-flop, even the village bell. Then, the bucket played Mama's voice yelling, "Time to eat!" Suddenly, every goat in the village came running. The goats started dancing. Every time the bucket said makan, they jumped. Now the village had a DJ, and he's a goat.